Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video I'll be showing you how to make some peppermint creams. Start off by adding some icing sugar into a bowl, and then add in some lemon juice into some egg white, and then mix this together. Pour this mixture into the icing sugar, and then add in some peppermint drops into it, and then mix this with a fork. Just mix it until it's nice and thick like this and you can't mix it anymore. Put your fork to one side and then use your hands to knead this to form a ball. When this is ready, put some icing sugar on some greaseproof paper. Roll your peppermint dough onto it. I'm rolling it until it's this thick. And then I've got several cutters here, different shapes. You can use any shapes you want. And then I'm going to use these to stamp out shapes on my peppermint dough. When you finish stamping out shapes, you'll have some dough left over. Just gather this up again, form it into a dough ball, and then roll it out and stamp out some more shapes. Just leave them on the greaseproof paper to set for a couple of hours or overnight. When they're ready, you can leave some of them white or you can dip some of them in chocolate and then put it on greaseproof paper. We're going to leave this to set again. I'm going to take a bite just to show you what it looks like inside. It's nice and they taste great. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.